Tired of scrolling through a cluttered list of eBay saved searches you never use? Learn how to delete them in under a minute. It's one of those little frustrations that just builds up over time. You save a search for a birthday gift, then another for a project, and before you know it, your list is a mess of old alerts you don't need anymore. So let's clean that up right now. I'll show you exactly where to find your saved searches and how to remove them quickly. Let's start by signing into your account. So first things first, go ahead and sign in to your eBay account. You'll need to be logged in to see your saved searches, since they're tied directly to your profile. Just enter your email or username and your password, like you normally would. If you're already signed in, you're one step ahead. And honestly, this is something I've done dozens of times while testing different setups, so I can tell you, it's a straightforward process once you know where to look. All right, now that you're signed in, let's navigate to your saved searches. On the main eBay page, look up at the top right corner where your name or account icon is. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, you'll see an option that says Saved Searches. Go ahead and click it. This takes you to a dedicated page that lists every single search you've ever saved. Yes, even the ones you forgot about from 6 months ago. This is where the magic happens. Now, take a moment to scan through this list. You'll see each saved search with its name, usually based on what you typed in the search bar, and maybe a little email notification icon next to it. Find the one you want to get rid of. For me, it's usually something like vintage camera lens from a phase I went through last year. If you have a long list, don't worry, just scroll until you spot the one that's no longer useful. And here's a practical tip. If you have a ton of them, you can often sort by date saved, which makes it easier to spot the old ones that are just taking up space. Once you've located the search you want to delete, look over to the right side of that row. You should see a small icon. It looks like a trash can or a little X, depending on your version of eBay. Go ahead and click that icon. It might not look like much, but that single click is the action that removes the search completely. I've tested this on both desktop and mobile, and it works the same way. Just one click and it's gone. After you click the delete or trash icon, eBay might ask you to confirm. A small pop-up or dialog box will appear, saying something like, "Are you sure you want to remove this saved search?" That's just eBay making sure you didn't accidentally click it. So click yes or confirm to finalize it. And that's it. The search disappears from your list instantly. No waiting, no loading bar, no fuss. So now you've gone from feeling overwhelmed by a messy list of saved searches to having a clean, organized list with only the searches you actually need. Just a few clicks and you're done. If you found this helpful, there are more quick eBay tips like this on the channel. Things I've picked up from years of buying and selling. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.